Oh, there was another one of those furnaces here. I don't see any remnants of it at all. There's a little pond out there. I think this is the Windsor furnace shelter, but there's a school trip here using the shelter, so I'm not going to walk up there. Good morning, everybody. I wanted to get away. There were some kids there at the start. There's like a high school class staying at that first shelter, which is just right in from where I got on the trail. So today we're going from the Windsor furnace. It's Reservoir Road. That's mile 1225 point something. And we're going to Hawk Mountain Road, which is 1135. So it's about somewhere in the range of 10 miles. It's going to be a nice day. 55 starting out here, so I'm not wearing my orange anymore. Even though I'm going through some game lands, and I guess it is turkey season, so that's interesting. So anyway, we're going about 10 miles. It's 55 degrees. Breezy. It's supposed to get up to about 70, so it's going to be like a perfect day for hiking. So thanks for coming with me. Let's take a walk.
Not that big of a
Pulpit Rock. Look at this view.
That is amazing. This is an amazing view today. So clear. Wow. Look at that. It's like we've gone. We're up to 1,500 feet. Wow.
I have a full signal. We have a couple towers up here. Okay, first rattlesnake of the year.
I say he's a little over 3 feet, maybe about 4.
It's fat.
Yeah, they love to. You see how he was trying to get off the trail for us. Look at the size of that tail on him.
Yeah, he's got a lot of rattles. I
Look
don't.
at that.
Does that?
It tells you he's pretty old.
I say, does that convert to years?
I don't know exactly how that works. I think it deals with the shedding of the skin and how often they shed their skin. Yeah, he's in the sun there. You get a nice shot there.
Yeah, he was right on the trail.
Yep. Look at, see how fat they get in the middle? They're amazing. You can see that big diamond-shaped head.
You said that's a Eastern Timber Rattler?
Eastern Timber Rattler, yep. They'll come in that kind of color, but sometimes they come in almost black, like the tail. They'll be black like that tail end.
I saw one in the Shenandoahs last year. It was black.
Yeah, it's still an Eastern Timber.
But this one's clearly the same color as those leaves.
Yeah, blends in well. Yeah, look at him go. Yeah. If you want to give him the rattler, just get up close to him. We'll start rattling.
Yeah. He looks sad. I'm going to give him a hug.
I wonder if that's hummingbird and Casper, or so those day hikers.
Completely curled up. So I'm not totally sure why we have this green area, but I think this goes back. Oh, you're good. I think this goes right back down to that Windsor furnace. I'll have to check my map. Hamburg parking lot, 2 miles. I'm not going there. I am going this way on the AT.
Picture picture.
Man.
Oh, you guys look really good.
These are my hiking buddies today.
Oh,
There's our
man.
international contingent. What are your
Casper
names?
from Ireland.
Hummingbird from Spain.
Hello. Thanks for walking with me. And Ness.
Hey, I'm Ness from Alfred, New York.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Well, we are done for today. Made it to Hawk Mountain Road. That was about 10 miles today. So it ended up being pretty nice. It was kind of steep uphill. The rest of the time I walked with 3 other people and we made really good time. And a lot of it was on probably an old mining road. So we were flying, and we saw our first rattlesnake of the year. So that was pretty exciting. So anyway, thanks for coming with me, guys. And remember, where we're going, we don't need roads.